Hello everybody, I'm Mortika Lacrosse, and this is a continuation of the series that's been going on in the Pursuit of Happiness. You're watching Pursuit of Happiness right here on Positively Affecting Lives. So, in this video, we're continuing of the series that we've already been working on. And basically, now that you know exactly what activity or what kind of thing you're going to do to draw that wealth and prosperity into your life, you now need to go in with a can-do attitude. And a lot of people approach this in the wrong mindset. So now we're going to discuss that. So let's jump into it. The wrong way would be taking small actions while hoping for big results right away, and then concluding we failed because we didn't progress quickly enough. Instead, try this. Take bold, consistent actions every day. Step out of your comfort zone as far as you dare. Be confident about your abilities and expect positive results. Be patient. Don't expect overnight success. It doesn't happen. And focus most of your intention on enjoying the journey. So see, when we aren't focused on the journey and we're just not focusing on the work at hand and we're frustrated because there's not overnight success, you're focused on what you consider the failure. And when you consider on the failure, you're telling the universe that's what you want in return. Expect failure and you'll get failure. Expect success and you'll get success. It's not going to happen overnight. It's a journey, and you should enjoy the journey, because on that journey you might learn more things that will help you to achieve that end goal or that end result that you're wanting with that success and that prosperity and wealth mindset. And I think that part right there could apply to anything, not just wealth and prosperity, but just to achieve your goals. You can focus on the end goal, but you cannot stress out about the end goal, because you're going to get there. And as long as you keep on saying to yourself, I'm going to achieve that end goal, then that's exactly what is going to happen. You will achieve that. Success does not happen overnight. Or that old saying, Rome was not built in a day. Anyways, there's more in this series. I think 2 more videos or maybe 1 more video. I haven't quite figured out if the last part I'm going to split up into 2 videos or just do 1 video and have a very long video, because I've done that for the few of the previous videos in this series. Anyways, if you like what you've seen, make sure you give a thumbs up so you can let YouTube's algorithm know that's the kind of content you want to see and you want to see more of it. And if you want to hear more about how to achieve this state of wealth and prosperity, this mindset, or if you just want to know a way to pursue happiness or how to use the law of attraction to achieve your goals, or even if you're interested in my upcoming series, the conflict resolution series, because if you have conflict, you cannot achieve your goals either. Then make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified of future videos. Anyways, I'm Mortika Lacrosse. Thank you for watching. As always, namaste, blessed be, and peace out.